Pull up in my hood, best dress. Next thing, upgrade, who's next? Rich boy, got him on deck.
Hey subbies, it's your girl Bree here, and I'm back with another video. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Go ahead and make sure you subscribe if you like this video, and comment down below if you tried this method on removing color from hair. I'm gonna take this beautiful rainbow wig that I did in my last video. I know that was like months ago, and we're gonna try to remove the color. So I started off with using just hot water, like very hot water, and I put some Dawn dish soap, I put some clarified shampoo, and some baking soda, and we're gonna see how this takes. So after letting it sit, I can see that some of the color is starting to come up, especially those purples and those pinks. But we want all the color, or as much color as possible, off of this wig, okay? So I went ahead and I just tried the boiling method instead of just the hot water, and I just put the same exact ingredients in. One more thing I want to mention is to make sure you have the correct baking soda, because I took the one that's like for freshening and it just wasn't doing what it was supposed to have done. You need actual like baking soda. So just make sure you got the correct baking soda and your clarifying shampoo and your dish soap, and you will be fine. And voila, these are my results. Now, it did not go back to the 613, but it did strip the hair of the color that I wanted to get rid of, so that we can go ahead and dye this baby blue. Yeah. So right here you'll see me, I did have some hot boiling water, and I went ahead and poured the blue dye in. I'm using the Adore Sapphire Blue. You see right there in the corner. And I'm going to go ahead and just dip that baby in there. We're using the watercolor method. And yeah, just going to watch it take up this color, drink it all up. I did end up dipping this hair a few times, but yeah, it worked out pretty well. You'll see. guys, be sure to wear gloves while doing this because I totally forgot to put them on at first and I almost like blew up my whole nail. But yeah, look how pretty this color is. It definitely took very well, like I thought it would. I did have to dip on it a few times only because when you do the watercolor and you don't spread out the hair well enough, it doesn't get to certain spots. So I had to dip it like 2 more times, one more time after this one to get that back. See that back where it's still green? Yeah, I dipped it so it can be just real blue, blue, blue. And it came out wonderful. I just loved it. Installation time. So I lost my hot comb, so I'm using the end of this edge brush, like the comb part, to brush the hairs back, because once I start to do the application, I don't want the hairs to get caught all up in the glue, and it just messes up the application. It just messes up the application. Yeah, so that is what you see me doing here, and then we're gonna throw her on. The good thing about this wig is that it's already customized to fit my head and it's already plugged, okay, because this was the wig that I was wearing before. We just went ahead and switched her up a bit. So I'm just going ahead and brush back those hairs, and then I'm going to put some glue. I am using the Escher glue. I'm gonna show you guys in a few. I actually forgot to show you in the first place. But yeah, so that's what we're doing here. We're just gonna use the edge brush just to press down. Try not to use your fingers because that's how you get glue all on your fingers. But we're gonna press down and comb back, baby. Press down and comb back. So if you manage to get some pieces that don't lay down right away, don't even panic. You can either put some more glue, or if you're like me, you don't want to use too much glue because you are going to be taking this wig off soon anyway, go ahead and take some gel. I'm using the boho lace jelly, and just put that on there, and boom, you can just go ahead and press it and it will lay just fine. So once you get the wig down, you want to go ahead and tie it so you can go ahead and melt that baby, okay? You want to make sure she is very, very secured. And I'm just going to brush the hair because we're going to straighten her. I thought about putting some curls in her, but I was like, you know what? Let's go ahead and just straighten her out. Maybe put some curls in later or something. And I'll definitely make sure I give you guys that visual as well. And yeah, I'm absolutely loving this color, absolutely loving how everything came out. I'm loving that the hair stayed intact because I was a little scared. Not gonna lie, I was a little scared. But yeah, definitely did what I wanted it to do. So let's get into straightening this. So this is the final look. I hope you guys love this hair as much as I do. I did not want a definite part, so I did not define the part in the middle. I kind of just let it flow how it is. But yeah, she's nice and straight. And I'm gonna go ahead and take some mousse though, just to flatten out the top part. But yeah, the girl is straight, the girl is done, the girl is flowing, the girl has life, has body, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up, alright? Subscribe to the channel for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.